Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. The XRP chart is currently in an overall broader sideways range. As you know, if you followed and watched previous updates, we don't really see any significant upside breakout yet. There has been an attempt on the 16th of January, but the price couldn't break above the all-time high. Slightly, but it was not a sustained break. And what looked first like a small corrective pullback turned into a larger corrective pullback, but still in three waves, as you can see. A, B, C. You might even call it a WXY, but I don't want to make it too complicated. At the moment, there are two scenarios I'm following, short-term bullish, short-term bearish. In the short-term bullish scenario, the price bottomed in a wave 4 on the 3rd of February. And we could be on our way to new highs, basically. And the new highs or the rally could take us into the region between $4.20 and $5 essentially next. Yeah, these are two next levels. Could go higher. I mean, above that level, 660 is the next upside target. But let's first see, if we can get to a new all-time high. I guess most people would be happy about that already. So that's the yellow pathway. In the blue scenario, we have a wider ABC structure that we're tracking, in which the dip on Monday was actually not a larger wave 4, it was only the A wave of a larger wave 4. We're now dealing with a B wave, corrective rally, and then a C wave could still happen and widen and extend this wave 4. This scenario would come into play basically further should the market not be able to break above the all-time high. So we won't really know. We have to observe this key decision point up there very, very closely. But for now, I think the main focus is on the nanostructures and the recovery rally from Monday. I just want to make sure that it's clear that this wave 4 that presumably bottomed on the 3rd of February could still be extending, but we would need more evidence for that. So I think the main focus now lies on understanding the structures from the recovery rally from Monday. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart, nanostructures basically, to understand what's going on here. Before we do that in detail, yesterday I launched a video or uploaded a new video to our main channel. There's a channel we launched this week. It's our new central hub, basically the heart of MCO. It's going to be the new main channel with high quality content, more videos, videos that are longer, that cover different topics from a macro point of view as well. Yesterday I covered, for example, Bitcoin and NASDAQ and the Chinese index, and there will be more. Today I will cover MicroStrategy on here. So if you're interested about all of this, check it out. I'll link it in the description. It's just completely different what Morecryptoonline is doing at the moment. So this is going to be it's going to be the future, the next level. Don't worry, Morecryptoonline will continue to deliver rapid market updates, of course. Now, what you can see here is that this is a pullback, which I'm labeling as wave 2. And this is either a wave 2 or a B wave. Now, that means we can watch for a recovery rally, further continuation after the initial recovery. We call that either an ABC structure. If it develops further, it would be a third wave in the yellow scenario. Main takeaway is the current pullback, the move to the downside. It looks technically corrective. Now, what does that mean? It means it is characterized by overlapping price structures. It means that, it's slow. You can count the waves quite well. It's not impulsive, which also makes it less reliable and more open to interpretation. But I prefer diagonals in corrections because they are clearly corrective. You would prefer this over a rapid decline, even though it's a bit boring at the moment. But we have a bit of, I have a bit of time to analyze the structure. And I mean, currently we're still holding below this trend line there. A break above the trend line, I would say, is an early indication that a low of sorts is in place. For now, I am tracking this decline as an ABC structure. You see it here in yellow. Let me just quickly change the wave degree there. Like that. Okay. So we're tracking this decline, and then we've got wave 1, wave 2, and this would be A, B, C in wave 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. So I would say at least one more low, maybe two more lows that could test the area between $2.22 and $2.11. So I think these are the key the key support parameters we have on the chart: 235, 222, 211, and 195. Pay attention to those This is going to be important for over the next sessions. Any break below 195 would open the door to a drop to around about $1.20, but then we are on the larger time frame. We're basically dropping back into the larger pattern. We're dropping back into the larger wave 4. And what is important in terms of upside breakout signal, I would say keep an eye on the trend line. Any break above the trend line means that at least the microstructure is shifting. Any move above $2.70, which is the green line, signal line, would shift that we're probably trying to break out really to the upside. Yeah, not just that the local structure shifts, but that the price is seriously attempting a upside reversal. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.